show you how to remove Nissan as an Altima. Nissan Altima 3.5. How to remove the headlight. So I'm going to show you in a few steps, guys. So what you need to open the hood. Once the hood is open, guys, so we have a light right here. So open the 10mm right here. The 10mm. There's another 10mm right here. Once it's done, guys, let our thing loose. Can at least shake it a little bit. You can feel it. What's holding, guys, is just right here. So we come back right here behind the tire, and then we pry it out. Once you do that, guys, and you look inside there, you open this 10mm from here. So guys, this is out of the way. You just create a space like that, and then there is a 10mm right here. You have to take this 10mm out. You open also the 10mm which is right here. It will open right here to give you space. Then you can take it aside like that. So guys, this thing has to come out. The front bumper has to come out. Once it comes out, guys, you open this 10mm right here, and then, guys, let's do this thing right here. We have another 10mm right down here, guys. So one last one, we have it right here. So we still got one to go, so that our thing can be out. So we come back here, the back right there, the 10mm. Slide it out, guys. You cannot pull this right out. Disconnect this boy here. So we have the right here, guys. We just press that down, and then we disconnect it. Disconnect this boy too right here. So I have to take this two out. That one is out of the way. So this guy's gonna hold tight. Move this guy around and out of the way, and work on this boy here. Take that light outside, guys. It's much easier from that angle. Once that is out, now you can have enough access from here, guys, to just take this one out, press it in, take it out. So guys, I'll show you, once you're here, guys, you just you press this guy right here. You press one side of the thing, and then you click it like that, it comes out. Same as this side, you press this one right here, guys, and you pull it out, it just comes out like that. Yeah, you press this guy right here, and then it presses the rest of the thing and unlocks it. And then we have this last guy right here, so you just look for something like this, and then you just pry it out. Then this thing, guys, our light, and Nissan Altima light, eventually is out. So the three connectors, one right here, another one right there. So it's done.